First Blood.
Yeah, this a genius. Straight from the country, right now with my kid broke those in my mouth. And they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been those. Red kids, I'm getting sipping and I'm faded. Superman faded. Said she wanna check the pole. I said, okay, send the pilot. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in. A nigga gon' be faking all the way to the down. Whoa. Okay, more drink, throw it up, more weed, fill it up, go there, ho, you know what's up. Hog in the club, bitch, slow down, pants up, nose down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I'm and this the life we chose. Working all night, where I'm never going broke. And I'm doing it till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheap like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm free every night like I run with the eyes. I'm super sold down. Showing my love, just blowing my time. Still rockin' a good time, condom, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, red, crash that. Drove here, cash back, and I knocked that pussy out. Yeah, just a little cat nap. Hold up. Don't be smoking my shit. I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my shit. Boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, more weed, fill it up, go there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the club, bitch, slow down, pants up, nose down, ass up, nose down. Damn, bitch, I do it. And this the life we chose. Working all night, where I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm
mansions, man, I got a condo and got a big crib. Found the low in my kitchen in, the fine on the road getting in, and I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pockets got shipping in, you talk about it, I'm living it. I'm living it, I'm fucking little bitch.
Okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, hold it up, hold there, ho, you know what's up. Hog in the club, bitch, slow down, hit up, nose down, ass up, nose down, do it. It's the life you chose, working all night, bro, I'm never gon' bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga at the front. Cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no bitch pump. And me, Sean and Wiz got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping. Got this bitch jumping.